Hello, we are back with another tips and tricks video. This time we're looking at buy to order replenishment through reordering rules. This is for when you don't keep that particular item in stock and only purchase it once the sales come through. So for this, it's dead simple. Once again, you do need to go onto the product form. We're going to use our trusty old table management box here. And a couple of things to check again is that it's purchasable and that you've got a vendor set up for the PO to be created from. So we're going to go into our reordering rules. We're going to add one. We're going to hit buy on that. It should be buy by default. And we're just going to keep it at min max 00. This means that when the forecast quantity goes below 0, it's going to create a purchase order to fulfill the rest. So let's see it in action. We'll pop 10 in the quantity, and as you can see by the red graph here, we don't have any in stock. So once we hit confirm, a couple of things are going to happen. It's going to create the delivery note and also the related purchase order. So just like that, it's ready to go. You can send it straight from the system, or you can confirm it and send it as a PO. So yeah, there you go. That's buy to order replenishment. Thank you.